it's a police back here, you know, but it's not going on. So it's not gonna work unless the police in there and they running the laser or wherever they use to see how fast you're going. So that's how it works. All right, man, what up, y'all? So we got our radar detector. We just got it in. I don't know how to say that. UDN, I don't know. But I seen this on Amazon. Shout out to David, my boy, told me. He made a video on this. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put this in the description as well. But we got this, you know, because we've been getting pulled over. I got pulled over one time going down the street, and I got 3 tickets off of that shit. But, yeah, and I need one of these. So before you go and buy this, it only goes off when like the police is clocking you. So like, let's just say, or they got the lasers on you. So say you on the highway and you know they be in the middle of medians and they got the lasers going da 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 da. It's gonna tell you. But if you just drive past a police officer, it's not gonna do it, you know. So before you go out and buy it, you know. But I know this goes off basically on like the detector. So like we at the mall right now. So let's just say like it's like this little thing above like the automatic doors or whatever. It's like a signal radar or whatever, and it will go off like that. But we're gonna install this real quick and we're gonna drive around and I'll show y'all. So let's just go off of this and open it up like that. All right, so we open it like that. Bam, got the radar detector. You know what I'm saying? Bada boom, bada bam. It was just raining hard as hell, but this radar detector, da 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 da. You know what I'm saying? Take this off. Damn. My nail's finished. Alright, take that off. And then it come with like one of the big suction cups or whatever. But we're gonna use the small one. So we got small ones in here. We got little cords, whatever. So we're gonna use this. So take this out the bag. Damn. Put it in like that. Well, let's see how we put this on. Okay. So you just look like just plug and play for real. Slide it in there like, damn. Like that. Oh, damn. Wait, no, it's right there. So you put it in like that, and you slide it over. Put it in. Damn, come on. Damn. All right, we got it. Put it in, slide it over. Come on. There we go. Put it in, slide it over. Easy. Then you got the cord, main cord. I don't know what that extra cord was, but I know you're gonna use this for sure. Plug this in like that. Where'd that other cord go? It might be just some extra shit. But then we got this little thing, you know. Man.
X-band, K-band, Ka-band, laser.
All right. We'll put it probably like, damn, I don't know how I want it. If I put it right here, kind of be in the way. I'm gonna just put it down here, type shit. You know what I'm saying? We got it in. And honestly, I think that's it. For real.
GPS connected.
So all that's connected. I don't know what this is for. But I'll catch y'all back.
X-band, K-band,
drive past, yeah, see, like, it's going off.
Front K-band.
So it go off like when you go past like these automatic doors or whatever. It's got like this thing at the top. You see it right there. So like in front of the doors, it got like that little black radar thing, I guess, and it go off like that. You can kind of see it going off, but it'll show you like side to side, or you know, if it's in the front of you or in the back of you, like that. But yeah, you see it's going off back there. I don't know if it's gonna go off right here because it's not really automatic doors. I don't think right here. No, it's not automatic doors right here. Oh, we're finna Mac the V. Yeah, there's no automatic over there, but this don't even work. Ain't nothing even in there no more. Let's see though. And to show the miles per hour on there too. That's tough. So let's just see. It's a little bit delayed, but you know, it's still smooth. So if I'm just driving looking up like this, I could just look right there and tell me instead of, you know, saying shit though. That's some lazy shit. Let's see if it started beeping. We're finna go in the front of the mall. Let's see if it goes. You see it's none right there either. Yep. It's starting to go off.
Front K-band.
Y'all gonna go? They tweaking. But yeah, see it's going left and right. That means it's on the sides type shit. So it's going off right there. But you know, anytime you're around like the stores or anything like that, it's gonna go off. Or if the police running it or got the laser on you or whatever, you know it's gonna go off. So damn, they just ran that motherfucker. But yeah, so basically that's how I go. You know, ain't really nothing else to it. It's just plug and play, for real. Plug it in and it work, you know. And they got a mute button on there, so if you don't want to hear it, then you can mute it. But I ain't gonna mute it until I get annoyed of it. But right now it's smooth. They're probably, ooh, that's a nice car. Baby, we in a cat. Oh shit, boy, we tweaking. Oh shit. We in eco too. I'm tripping. No cub. No, that's not gonna go off right here either. That's not. Well, hell shit, maybe. I don't know. It ain't go off. But moral of the story, it's only gonna go off when the police like got the little laser shit or whatever they use on your car. So if they out here using the laser, then that's how they're gonna get you. But if they ain't using the laser, you gonna know, because it's gonna beep. If it beep, they using it. If it's not beeping, they not using it. Know what I'm saying? Common sense. But yeah, so that's basically gonna be it for this little video, you know. And I'll catch you soon.